So example 1 is just a very simple example of applying the formula. So if you look at example 1, we are interested in the arc length, and the arc is created by 72 degrees. So in the first part is very easy. It's just fraction of circumference. So the fraction will be 72 degrees over 360, 2 pi r. So usually my habits will be, I will press out everything in terms of pi. So that's my habit. So I will get 3.6 pi. So if you press out everything except the pi, then you may need to look at the question. What is the value of the pi that the question is getting you? Otherwise, you can just use your calculator pi and then give your answer as 3SF. Okay, the reason why I like to write it in terms of pi will be in case I need it in the next part. So if I need this arc in the next part, I'll be using this instead of the 3SF answer. Okay, so the next one will be the perimeter of the shaded region. So the perimeter is the outline. So if you outline the shaded region, you realize that there are two radius, and then there is a major arc. So try to get the major arc first. So the major arc, it is still AB, but it is called major because it's the major part of the circumference. So you got to find out this angle first. So you can find out this angle. So that will create the fraction times 2 pi r. So again, my habit is to press it in terms of pi. So I'll get 14.4 pi. So the parameter that we are interested in will be 14.4 pi plus 9 plus 9. So usually we'll use a calculator pi. And you give it to 3SF. So that's just a direct application. So all these will build you for the foundation in the radian. So later on in radian, we also have the same logic. So get used to it in degree first. So example 2 is a bit opposite. They gave us the information, and then we are supposed to find the angle. So in this question, okay, so take note, radius is everywhere. So this is the radius, and I'm interested to find the angle. You can use a notation for the angle. So the arc length here is 11.8. So basically you use the same formula. So the fraction multiplied by 2 pi r is equal to 11.8. So from here you do carefully. So it can be something like, so I can do something like this, 11.8 divided by 12 pi. And then I multiply by 360. So give it a try. So it's just playing around with the equation. So in this case, you will get this. And in degree is always 1 dp. So later on, when we transit to radian, radian is always 3SF. So the same thing can happen in radian. So just get used to the idea first. So example 1 and example 2 is just a basic question of using formula.